Hi, it's Michael Ogechi Abbey with Enterprise Express Tax Service here to talk about the taxes for Uber, Lyft, and any rideshare, um, gig economy, self-employed peoples who do not quite understand how the tax preparation works for these types of workers. First of all, when you are a Uber or a Lyft or a DoorDash or Instacart a provider, remember that the IRS views you as a self-employed person, which is why you will get a tax form that will typically have the 1099 figures before any letter. Okay, so most likely you're going to get either a 1099K or a 1099 and a 1099 NEC or a 1099 miscellaneous document. With Uber and Lyft, you're also going to get a tax summary page as well. So those are the main documents that you should look for when you go into your app, your rideshare app, and you single out that tax page and you're looking for those documents. I'm going to repeat that again. You're looking for the 1099K, which kind of looks like this. Hopefully you can see that 1099K. Difference is that it denotes your earnings by month, January through December of that tax filing year. You're also going to be looking for a 1099 NEC, which is going to look something like this. There you go. That's your 1099 NEC. It's going to look like that. And the NECs usually shows a bulk payment, a one-off payment that either Uber or Lyft or Instacart, DoorDash, that they make to you for that tax year. Usually when I see a 1099 NEC, it's usually because you've gotten a bonus for either referrals or you got a one-off payment um, for whatever reason. I know Uber and Lyft sometimes do special instances where if you drive for a certain amount of hours, you get some kind of a bonus. And sometimes you're given that payment via a 1099 NEC. So it could be one of different things, but you're going to get a 1099 NEC, a 1099K. Sometimes you get a 1099 miscellaneous. That's what used to happen. The IRS has started phasing that out. So no, we don't see that as often as we used to. Um, but also remember that that tax summary page is extremely important because it shows how much you actually got paid. Your 1099K will show what you made for the total year. The summary page shows how much Uber or Lyft took out as their commissions, and that is a deductible amount. It will also show, for instance, some other things, how much was paid in tolls that you might have, incurred over time, which is deductible as well. So extremely important. 1099K, 1099 NEC, 1099 miscellaneous if you have it, and the tax summary page. Those are extremely important. Okay, so the other thing to bear in mind is this. Sometimes if you do not earn over a certain amount, for instance, I think the figure with Uber and Lyft might be $600. I might need to confirm that because it does change. But if you don't earn over a certain amount, they're not going to issue you with any tax document. They'll just issue you with a summary showing that you made X amount for the entire year. So it's now going to be up to you and your taxpayer to know how to represent that income information on your Schedule C. So make sure that you keep records, financial records of payments that came in from Uber and Lyft. Just in case down the road there's any discrepancy, you can produce that paperwork and show exactly how much you made. I have another video that gives a much deeper dive into taxes for Uber and Lyft drivers. You should see that it's on YouTube as well. Check out my YouTube channel, Money Tax Refund. Once again, my name is Michael Abbey, Enterprise Express Tax Service. We do taxes in the entire 50 states. We can do your taxes virtually. Let's get you that max refund. Let's get you that max refund. Thanks again and have a blessed day. Bye.